This is not a message about urgency. This is a message about choice. Many people believe they are waiting, whereas in reality they are deciding. Just that decision is not a conscious one. Delay often feels harmless. It feels patient, responsible, thoughtful. People say, I just need more time. People say, I'm not ready yet. People say, I'll decide when things are clearer. But time does not suspend outcomes. No. Time simply continues them. Every delay preserves something. Preserves a role. Preserves a routine. Preserves an arrangement. Preserves a version of life that already exists. By not choosing differently, you choose to keep what is. That choice may be quiet, but it is still a choice. You see, most people do not delay because they are afraid. They delay because they want certainty. They want to know that it will work. They want to know that it will be worth it. They want to know that they will not regret it. But certainty is not a prerequisite for movement. Certainty is often the reward for it. When decisions are postponed, costs do not stop accumulating. They simply spread thin. You see, energy leaks slowly. Opportunities expire quietly. Identity stiffens without protest. Nothing collapses, and that is exactly why delay feels safe. Here is a truth worth standing still with. Time will decide for you if you refuse to decide for yourself. Let me say that again. Time will decide for you if you refuse to decide for yourself. And believe me, time will always choose continuity, not alignment, not growth, continuity. Many people are already clear. They know what is misaligned. They know what needs to change. They know exactly what they are postponing. Clarity alone does not move a life. Authority does. And authority begins the moment a decision is made, even if the outcome is uncertain. Now, this is not a call for impulsive action. This is an argument against patience. It is a reminder that patience chosen consciously is strength, whereas patience used to avoid responsibility is delay. Allow me to tell you that only one of those moves a life forward. Delay is not a pause outside choice. Delay is a choice. And recognizing that fact returns power to where power belongs. Not to the future, not to circumstances, to you. You do not need certainty to decide. You need authorship. When decisions are reclaimed consciously, time stops leading from the shadows. And then life begins to respond again.